Hey, welcome to another Topic Tuesday. This is Dr. Mike McCall, Source Health Center. And today I want to talk about the concept of wellness visits, meaning that you go to the doctor, you have nothing going on with you, and you just want to get checked out. Now, one of the things that through my studies over the years, one of the paramount stories that I always remember is that I was told in ancient China, when you were a physician, your patients paid you when they were healthy. And as soon as you got sick, you didn't pay the doc anymore. So that meant that you would come to see the doctor, you'd pay him because you were healthy, you had no symptoms, you were happy, you were sleeping better, your digestion worked, you had enough energy to get through the day, and all your relationships were great, and you just paid him. Imagine that, paying the doctor because he's healthy and you follow his advice. That would be an interesting concept. But if you got sick, then the doctor had to work really hard because he wasn't getting paid. That's an interesting concept. So I kind of consider that with a wellness visit in the sense of a lot of times you can head things off. A lot of times you can do blood panels at your doctor and they may go, you don't have a disease yet, but if you can have someone look at it and go, but you're kind of headed in one direction, why not give you a supplement or change your diet a little bit so that you don't head into the red line? That's a really good way of doing it. Generally, that's going to be what we're going to be offering this year with our labs, as well as you can go to naturopaths or what have you. Or from my point of view with the muscle testing, since you're a patient of mine, is I can run in your body and I can find where your body is struggling the most, even though you don't have symptoms. But imagine, if you will, if you can just give the body what it needs at that point, how much better you're going to function. Because a lot of times, by the time you see me and you have symptoms and stuff, I just get you over the symptoms. But it's amazing how much your body has to deal with, and you don't have any symptoms, but it may be hindering you from doing the things you really want to do, or actually working at a level that you want mentally, emotionally, physically, and may I say spiritually, which is the part of you that you can't really see, but for some reason you think is important. So, the wellness visit, not a bad idea. We'll see you next Tuesday.
Doc forgot to mention a few things about a wellness check here in our office. If you're coming in for a wellness check, most of the time insurance does not deem it as medically necessary. So a lot of times insurance will not cover a wellness visit. Now they will cover a few depending on what it is that you are doing for your wellness check. Like if you're coming in for labs or a test or something like that, they will usually cover those things for you, since they are not done here in our office. But if you're coming in with no complaints other than just getting a wellness visit, a lot of times insurance does not deem that medically necessary. But it all just depends on what is done here in our office, and we will work with you for costs if it's not covered by insurance come this new year. So we will just work with you with all of that. But if you have any questions, give our office a call and I'd be more than happy to answer any questions in regards to anything insurance that you have. All right, we'll see you guys next week. Bye.